For those of you familiar with the way that the screen looks, this is Codesys version 3 and or PLC Designer version 3, which is the Lenze name for the Codesys version 3. Inside we have a visualization element where we're actually controlling the servo. If you can see up here, we're actually doing an absolute move right now, or we can actually do additive moves, and we can control the servo right from the visualization. Inside the PLC program itself, each of those visualization components, the move additive, the move absolute for setting position, move absolute 1 and 2, are all defined in here. We use an access reference to connect up to that actual visualization, and that is all that has to be defined in that function block, and the visualization can control all the rest of it as far as doing resets, homing, and move additive, relative, and absolute position. The setup of the actual axis is done in what we call the soft motion part of the environment, where we actually set the limits for the motion, speed, velocity, acceleration, deceleration, as well as whether it's a finite absolute move or a modulo system. And we can do scaling and mapping. Right now the axis has 8,192 pulses per revolution, but it has a 10-to-1 gearbox. Therefore that many counts gives us 1 revolution of the output gear. We're actually able to also control the position control loop from a gain control value, and this gives us total control over the servo system. In addition, all the variables in the system can be done and viewed in a watch window, where we're actually able to see the position values, velocity, acceleration in a watch window at all times. We don't have to be in that actual screen. We have the watch window to be able to view it. This is our setup for the Yaskawa motion control system. We will go through the I/O and the hardware in a little bit more detail in a different video.